I chose horticulture because I would like to go into farming industry and make profit off of what I harvest. I like hands-on learning because I'm outside all the time, working with plants, learning how to work with plants. In horticulture, I learned skills such as clippings. We do transplanting, so we take plants from different pots and put them into bigger pots so they have more room to grow for roots. And we're learning how to do budding. We're learning about the 5 main parts of plants: the roots, the stem, the leaf, the flower, and then the fruit. We learn about how when we transplant plants into a different environment, how they react, and how to breed them. We have to wait until the flowers become more pollinated. I feel very happy that I joined this horticulture program because it's going to jumpstart my future in farming.